Hello, this is Skip from Optimus Information. The data that I'm going to show you today is the record of 311 phone calls made to the City of Vancouver. 311 is the phone number that residents of Vancouver can call if they have a complaint or comments related to any of the city or municipal services. This data set was published by the City of Vancouver as part of their Open Data Initiative, and it's publicly available. On this first page is an overview of the data. We can see that there's phone calls coming in from basically all across the city in a pretty even spread, with just a few coming in from the North Shore in West Vancouver and North Vancouver. Down at the bottom, we can see the volume of phone calls coming in based on case type or type of complaint, by department, by locale or neighborhood, by hour of the day, and by year. So you can see very clearly that the Department of Solid Waste receives by far the highest volume of phone calls, and then we can see that these neighborhoods also make the higher number of phone calls than some of the other neighborhoods. So Kensington Cedar Cottage, Kitsilano, and Renfrew Collingwood. Looking at the case types, we can select a case type and see a bit more information about this type of phone call. So clicking on here will refilter the other charts as well as the map. So we can see that in the middle of this map, there's a high volume of phone calls related to chafer beetles. And also looking at our sunburst chart, we can see that Dunbar Southlands is also making a high volume of phone calls for this type of complaint. Moving on to our top 10 case types dashboard. So the size of these squares is representative of the volume of calls received for that case type. So we can see that missed garbage pickup has the highest number of complaints, followed by missed yard trimmings, and street tree work requests. Down here at the bottom, we can see that there are a few peaks throughout the year. And we actually know that these peaks coincide with advertising initiatives done by the City of Vancouver to raise awareness for the 311 phone line. So this is a good indicator that those advertising initiatives are having an effect. Our next tab is the top 10 locales or neighborhoods. So here we can see which neighborhoods are making the most number of phone calls, and this will be a good indicator to see if there's any problems or issues that the city might need to investigate in these areas if the numbers are significantly higher than other neighborhoods. We can also see the trend in the time of the week, the day of the week, and the year at the bottom, as well as the departments that are being called. Our last tab is our top 10 departments. This tab will show us which departments get the highest number of calls, when they are received, and which locales are calling. So solid waste, again, is the highest volume department. So you can drill into each of these departments to see the trend in the time and the date, as well as the location to find problem neighborhoods or problem times of the year or problem times of the day. So to summarize, this is really the power of Power BI. So we took a very simple spreadsheet from the City of Vancouver and very quickly were able to upload it and drill down into the data in interesting ways and in a clear visual way to find trends that may require further investigation from the city. So thank you for watching our demo. If you have any questions about this dashboard or if you have any data that you'd like to utilize in a similar way, please reach out to us and we're more than happy to chat with you about it. Our contact information can be found in the partner directory. And lastly, thank you very much from Optimus and enjoy your day.